For users of Windows 10, please refer to the following steps to delete the driver manually. First of all, search and click Control Panel. Find Hardware and Sound and click Devices and Printers. Find the driver which you need to delete. Click See What's Printing. And cancel the printing documents. Click Yes. Right-click this PC and click Manage. Click Services and Applications. And then click Services. Find the print spooler in the list. And restart the service. After that, we go back to Devices and Printers page. Right-click the driver which need to be deleted and click Remove Device. Click Yes. Then click any another printer device. Click Print Server Properties. Choose Drivers. Find the printer driver that needs to be completely removed in the list. Click Remove. Choose Remove Driver and Driver Package. Click Delete. After that, enter the Control Panel page. Click Uninstall a program. Find the print driver and uninstall it. Uninstall completed.